What if I told you there's an animal so powerful it can run faster than a horse, swim across rivers, and yet still spend half the year sleeping? Meet the brown bear, one of the most fascinating and misunderstood creatures on Earth. In today's video, we'll explore the world of the brown bear, its habits, intelligence, survival skills, and why protecting this iconic animal matters more than ever. Stick around. You might never look at a bear the same way again. The brown bear, Ursus arctos, is one of the most widespread and adaptable large mammals on the planet. It can be found across North America, Europe, and Asia, thriving in forests, tundra, and mountain regions. Despite its name, brown bears come in a range of colors, from light beige to nearly black. Some of the most famous subspecies include the grizzly bear in North America and the massive Kodiak bear of Alaska. These bears are strong, smart, and highly resourceful. One of the most impressive features of brown bears is their physical strength. Adult males can weigh between 300 and 1,500 pounds, with some Kodiak bears reaching nearly a ton. Their claws, which can be as long as a human finger, are designed for digging, climbing, and tearing through logs in search of insects or roots. Despite their size, brown bears are fast. They can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, allowing them to chase down prey or flee from danger if necessary. Brown bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet changes with the seasons and includes berries, roots, fish, small mammals, and sometimes even large prey like moose. In areas near rivers, they famously catch salmon during spawning season, often competing with each other in powerful displays of skill and strength. But they also rely on humble food sources like acorns or grass. This flexibility in diet is one reason they've survived in such varied environments. One of the most iconic behaviors of the brown bear is hibernation. In preparation for winter, bears enter a phase called hyperphagia, during which they eat almost non-stop, gaining up to 100 pounds of fat. When temperatures drop, they retreat into dens, often caves or dugout hillsides, and slow their metabolism dramatically. While hibernating, they don't eat, drink, urinate, or defecate for months. It's a biological marvel that helps them survive harsh winters without starving or freezing. Brown bears are also known for their intelligence. In the wild, they use memory to relocate food sources, navigate large territories, and even avoid human traps. In captivity, they've shown problem-solving abilities similar to primates. They're curious and observant, traits that help them adapt to changing environments. Some have even been documented using tools like moving rocks to reach food. Their brain-to-body ratio is high among mammals, and their behavior reflects it. Despite their solitary nature, brown bears communicate in subtle but effective ways. They use scent marking, body language, and vocalizations to establish territory, attract mates, or warn rivals. Cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2.5 years, learning survival skills through play and observation. During this time, the mother bear is fiercely protective, willing to fight off much larger males or predators to defend her young. Their bond is strong and the maternal instinct is undeniable. Brown bears once roamed across vast regions of the northern hemisphere, but today, their range has shrunk due to human activity. Habitat loss, hunting, and conflict with livestock farmers have put pressure on many bear populations. In some countries, they've disappeared entirely. But thanks to conservation efforts, populations in places like the US, Canada, and parts of Europe are slowly recovering. The key is education, protected areas, and responsible coexistence. In places like Yellowstone National Park, grizzly bears, a subspecies of brown bear, have become symbols of wild beauty and resilience. Visitors from around the world come hoping to catch a glimpse of these majestic animals in their natural habitat. But encounters must be managed with care. Brown bears can be dangerous if provoked or surprised, especially mothers with cubs. Understanding their behavior and maintaining distance is crucial to human and bear safety alike. Climate change poses a new threat to brown bears. As seasons shift, the timing of hibernation, food availability, and salmon migrations are disrupted. In warmer winters, some bears wake early from hibernation and struggle to find enough food. Meanwhile, human development continues to fragment their territory, limiting their access to traditional feeding grounds and migration routes. These environmental changes demand adaptive conservation strategies. But not all stories are grim. In areas where local communities are involved in conservation, bears and people can coexist. Initiatives like bear-proof trash bins, compensation for lost livestock, and ecotourism programs help reduce conflict and provide economic incentives to protect wildlife. Education is key. When people understand that bears aren't mindless threats but intelligent animals trying to survive, attitudes begin to shift. Brown bears also play a vital role in their ecosystems. As top predators and scavengers, they help regulate prey populations. Their digging helps aerate soil and spread plant seeds. Even their uneaten food, like leftover salmon carcasses, provides nutrients to forests and rivers. In short, they are ecological engineers, shaping the health of the land simply by being part of it. Protecting them means protecting a whole network of life. The brown bear is more than just a symbol of wilderness. It's a reminder of our planet's raw beauty, strength, and fragility. Coexisting with them is a test of our willingness to respect nature's boundaries and learn from its wisdom. These powerful creatures deserve more than fear or fascination. They deserve understanding, space, and a future alongside us. The brown bear is a magnificent blend of power, intelligence, and survival instinct. From the silent forests of Russia to the alpine meadows of North America, they have adapted and endured for thousands of years. But today, their survival depends not only on their instincts, but on our choices. By protecting the brown bear, we protect a living legacy of the wild, and we honor the balance that keeps our natural world alive. The question is, are we willing to listen to the call of the wild before it's too late? And that wraps up our deep dive into the amazing life of the brown bear. What surprised you the most about this incredible creature? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more wild stories from nature's most fascinating animals. Until next time, stay curious and stay wild.